Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the settings, into the notification panel, and here you can see on top bar all the available and visible icons. Now just to add some icons here, to remove some from these icons, so just to change their position, we should click here on the left down corner on the top bar on the set it icon. And now we can see here this down section with invisible icons. We can add them here. Just how to do that? Just hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this up section. By this way we can add here more icons if you want. So also we can add here the icon with the storage here, the flashlight, the night light, and the dark theme, for example. After that, if you want to save the changes, just go back, and here we can see that we just add them successfully. To remove some icons, by the same way, just hold it and drag them here to this down section. So for example, the location we just set it, camera access, the hotspot, and just go back and you'll see here all these changes. And to change the positions, just nothing new, just hold it and drag it, for example here. But for example, if you want to add the alarm one to be the second one, then just by this way you can see that we just can mix them and save the changes. Just go back and you can see that we just here just added our notification panel shortcuts successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.